Welcome to the Legal Insight series by the S&L Center for Dispute Resolution. This series is designed to simplify legal concepts, help judiciary aspirants excel in exams, and empower the public with practical legal knowledge. In today's episode, we're exploring theft under Section 378 of the Pakistan Penal Code (PPC). We'll dive into its legal definition, essential elements, examples, and its distinctions from related offenses. Let's get started. Theft is defined under Section 378 of the Pakistan Penal Code as follows. Whoever intending to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent moves that property with the intention to permanently deprive the owner of it commits theft. This means theft involves dishonestly taking someone else's movable property without their consent, intending to keep it permanently. For an act to qualify as theft, it must meet these 5 essential ingredients. 1. Dishonest intention. The act must be driven by a dishonest intention. Simply moving property without any intent to permanently deprive the owner does not constitute theft. 2. Movable property. The property must be movable, such as a phone, wallet, or car. Immovable property, like land, cannot be stolen under this section. 3. Possession of another. The property must belong to someone else and be in their lawful possession. For example, taking your own property from someone who lawfully possesses it under a contract isn't theft. 4. Without consent. The act must be committed without the express or implied consent of the owner or lawful possessor. 5. Movement of property. The offender must physically move the property, even if it's a minor movement. This act signifies the intent to take the property away. Here's an example. Imagine a person sees a wallet on a restaurant table. They pick it up and slip it into their pocket with the intention of keeping it permanently. This constitutes theft because the wallet is movable property. It's in the possession of another person. The act is done dishonestly and without consent, and the wallet was physically moved. Now, let's discuss the distinctions from other offenses. Theft versus extortion. Section 383 extortion involves intentionally putting someone in fear of injury to obtain their property. Theft does not involve coercion or fear. Example: forcing someone to hand over their phone under a threat is extortion, not theft. Theft versus robbery. Section 390 robbery is theft with the addition of violence or the threat of immediate harm. If a thief uses a knife to intimidate a person and take their wallet, it becomes robbery. Theft versus dacoity. Section 391 dacoity is robbery committed by 5 or more people working together. For example, a gang of 6 breaking into a house to steal valuables qualifies as dacoity. Section 379 of the PPC prescribes the punishment for theft. Whoever commits theft shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with a fine, or with both. The severity of the punishment depends on the value of the stolen property and the circumstances of the offense. To summarize, theft under Section 378 involves dishonestly taking movable property out of someone's possession without their consent, with the intention of permanent deprivation. Understanding its essential elements helps differentiate it from related offenses like extortion, robbery, and dacoity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions in the comments and share this video with others. For more legal insights, contact us at your contact number or your email address. Join us next time as we explore more key concepts of criminal law under the PPC.